ovaries hold tension, so does testicles for males. Visualize them a fire inside, like a little candle burning inside them, because that space over there should always be hot. Through these having the proper energy sequence and balance within your mind and the lower sexual organs in the second center, first center, you will actually feel more at balance and at peace with yourself. The womb is a vortex. So just visualizing the womb and bringing awareness there, and see a white light spiraling within it. So the womb and the ovaries are very important to massage on a daily basis because the ovaries hold tension, so does testicles for males, and they have a direct connection to the kidneys. So within that space, I would utilize a meditation maybe, or while you massage them, visualize them a fire inside, like a little candle burning inside them, because that space over there should always be hot. So the womb, the lower part of sexual organs, it should be hot here. It should be hot. The head should be cool. When we usually go to sleep, our head is hot and this is cool down here. If the energy is the opposite direction, so your energy down here is not really burning and it's not alive, it doesn't allow you to be the creator of your universe. Through these having the proper energy sequence and balance within your mind and the lower sexual organs in the second center, first center, you will actually feel more at balance and at peace with yourself. The womb is a vortex. So just visualizing the womb and bringing awareness there, and see a white light spiraling within it. What you're doing, you're actually charging that space, and you want to allow that space to be grounded as well through the coccyx. So there's a whole part there. There's the hips, okay, which are holding the womb, are very important. And the hips produce white and red blood cells. So these parts of the hips is good to massage them and tap on them, actually connect with them and connect with your hips. Even right now, put your fingers on your hips. The bones, right? They're kind of in the front a little bit. So if you just breathe into it, that's why I always say breathe into the hips, see them expand. They are like holding, each hip is separate. They're not joint. So they're completely separate bones. So as you see your hips, breathe into them and take a gentle smile and give them a command to activate. A gentle command to activate. As you scan the hip bones inside, okay, you will feel some energy start to flow in there. This energy will activate, and now it's creating kind of an energy inside. So inside the womb, you can visualize a golden ball, and or if a funnel, a vortex, a funnel, or a golden ball, and you spiral that ball inside, just like you spiral the chakras. This is all part of the second center. If you continuously work on the second center, all these parts here will also illuminate, and they will start to rise up. The womb, okay, if we take the womb, you know the ovaries and the womb, it's the picture of it. If you bring it up into the back of the head, it is actually the brainstem connecting with the cerebellum. So each ovary is the cerebellum because fear is stored in there. For males, same thing. The testicles here and the penis is through the brainstem. All of the sexual organs as above, so below. It is basically the brain spread out through the body. So fear in the kidneys, we know it connects to the cerebellum. Fear in the kidneys, that means your testicles and your ovaries have accumulated dense energy and belief systems. Everything that has to do with fear, unworthiness, hatred, anger, frustration, whatever it is, all of those negative aspects are stored there. So by massaging them every day and Don't be afraid to go deep when you're laying down. Even try to go underneath it, scoop it, and press on it. If it's tender, that means there's fear there. So through the fire breath, you're activating those parts and releasing all the trauma there, because we have trauma stored in there from our childhood. So through these practices, you're activating this part, and you're actually activating the cerebellum. So you're giving a direct connection between the cerebellum and the kidneys and the sexual organs, because the sexual organs are the creative life force. They are not about just intimacy. They're about creativity. Okay, the gallbladder. In the liver, it processes fats. Okay, so it processes information, and it's also important to when you massage it, you'll probably feel that there's tightness in it, and it's a hollow organ, just like the bladder. Both of those organs are hollow. So what does that mean? That means they are directly connected to the ether. So when you connect to them inside, you can actually see a light spiraling. Same thing in the bladder and the gallbladder. Okay, so these two organs actually have their own little chakra systems that connect to the etheric body. Massage it out, because you can also have stones in there or stagnant energy. But by doing a clap into it, like a clap like this, you put your fingers like that and you clap into it, you'll open it. Not just like smacking it, but you have to make a clap, because it gives a vibration that allows it to penetrate and vibrate back and forth.